Ladies and gentlemen, this is Simple Mobile, not giving me my service that I paid for. I'm the Panda Photographer, everyone. I've been documenting Simple Mobile's behavior. So I want you guys to see on my display on my account that none of my data on my hotspot is being used at this time. Just want you guys to see that. Hold on, I want you guys to see that. None of my data is being used right now. And on this phone, I'm using the hotspot. But every time I try to use the hotspot, look, nothing happens. Won't even load up my website. Won't even go to a page. Won't refresh any social media. It's not working. So Simple Mobile has been doing this kind of behavior as of 2023 and 2024. It's very inconsistent, everybody. And I want you guys to see right here in person what the data, the hotspot data says. I didn't use any hotspot. So what's going on, Simple Mobile? Why am I not able to use my hotspot once again? So just to be transparent, everyone, I'm going to go into my settings. I'm going to show you what I'm connected to. And you can see I'm connected to the Panda Photographer hotspot because that's my phone. So I'm the Panda Photographer. So I want you, as an audience, to see in real time what Simple Mobile has been doing to customers like me, throttling services in the middle of the month. I've been talking about this from time to time, how Simple Mobile loves to cap how you use their services. So with that said, everyone, I'm trying to use my hotspot, and I'm not able to. Mind you, I'm near a window, and if you can see into the distance, I'm not sure if this focus. I'm near a window. I'm at a window, and you can see New York City, and it's snowing. So with that said, everyone, I just want you to see in real time what's going on with Simple Mobile services. It will work on my iPhone, but it won't work on my other devices, including my laptop sitting over there, which it does not even, it's not even working on my laptop either. So it doesn't make sense, Simple Mobile, that you're throttling services and you're not giving me the services that I paid for. So everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer. I'm a documentarian photographer. I've been documenting a series of events with Simple Mobile services for the past 3 to 4 years, since 2020 to be exact. It's very inconsistent. So with that said, this is what they're doing to my service at this time, not giving me my hotspot that I paid for. So with that said, everyone, if your experience with Simple Mobile has been mediocre, please leave your thoughts down in the comments down below. If you want to support the channel, you can support the channel, but let's try to get this problem resolved with Simple Mobile.